Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to the CloudOps Junction. So in this video, we are going to see how we can upgrade the SCCM console, or in other word, you can say how we can upgrade the SCCM from one version to another. To check that what exactly version that we are running in our current environment is like you can go on administrator, click on update and services, and here you will find, okay, let's find what version we are running. Then you have to click on about section, and here you will find 2303. It's a very old version, so we will upgrade it, and it's also got expired end of the support. We are getting a pop-up that site version is past and the end of support, so we need to update it. To update this version, there are a couple of updates available in software center. In There are a couple of updates available in SCCM. The one is there is a hotfix for 2003. Then there is upgrade for 2309, and now there is an upgrade for 2403. And also there will be an upgrade for 2409, but as of now we can't have it, so we are not having it. So what we will do, we will try to install this one. Before we try to install it, what we need to do is there are some couple of checks that we need to do it. First, what we will do, we will go to the site services, click on site administration, click or right click on site and go to site maintenance. The first thing that you need to take care is the backup. Site backup should be disabled while you are doing the upgrade, or the timing, that suppose if there is some timing that should not be overlapping with the duration that you are doing the upgrade. So this is the first thing. Second is you have to disable a couple of more services or maintenance tasks, that is delete aged client operations. So this is the delete aged client operations. This should be disabled, so we are going to disable it. And there is aged discovery, that is also needs to be aged discovery data. This one I will disable this one as well. Alright, this is done. Now the third part is you have to take the backup of the SQL server. To take the backup, you can go to the SQL server, right click on the database, and then you can take a full backup and keep it an SCCM backup and keep it on a separate server, so that in case of something went wrong, you can take help from the backup and recover it. In case the servers are running on Azure, make sure you ask the Azure team, or if you have the access to Azure, make sure you take the snapshot or a complete backup before doing the upgrade activity. Now what we will do, we will not going to take the SQL backup because it will take some time and it's our test environment. But so what we will do now, we will go on update and services, click on configuration manager 2403, right click on there, and let's run the pre-check. It's ideally a good option to run the pre-check before you are running to the production environment. And let's see. So once it done, it will do a pre-check over here, and it will, when you click on show status, it will actually start showing you the status what exactly it is doing. As of now, I think it's has not started yet, so we have to wait a couple of more minutes and then it should be there. So now it's been a while, this pre-check is running. Let's refresh it and see what exactly it's doing. We click on show status. Yeah, it has started doing something. Right click on it, show status. Now you will find that it has downloaded it. The download was already completed. Now, in case if you wanted to say where it has downloaded, you have to go to C drive. Let's find it. You have to go to C drive. Come on, open C drive. Okay, meanwhile it is opening. So now it's checking the replication, running, pre-check. Nothing is there, so it's still taking time. Okay, Now C drive is open. Go to C drive. You will find programs and file, I guess, inside Microsoft configuration manager. Inside you will find a folder of easy setup payload. This is the location where it's download the files. So you can see it has downloaded on 19th of this month. And yeah, this is the setup. Once the setup is completed, what it will do, it will move it to this location, cd.latest. So if I open it, it should be empty or it's moving, but now after that this is completed, it will move it over here. Now let's go back again. So status, download is completed, and application updating library content. So again it is updating the contents. We'll come back after some time and see what's the progress. Alright, it's been a while now. Let's see. Let's refresh. Oh, it has failed actually. Let's see what went wrong. So prerequisite, okay, SQL client prerequisite missing. This is failed and everything is completed. Most of them, there are few SQL performance. Okay, that's fine, that we can do later. SQL client prerequisite fail. ODZP drivers. Okay, let's try to fix it. Alright, so it says ODBC drivers 18. Let me see what I have on my server installed. So cpl. Okay, we have ODBC 17 and what we required is 18. So what we will do, we will download the latest one, which is 18. Download 64-bit from here. Oh, it's a small package, 44.5 MB. Open. Next. It's agreement. Done. Install. Alright, once it's done, let's try to give a restart. Rerun pre-check. So again, it will take some couple of minutes, and then yeah, pre-check is completed. It was very fast. I was not expecting. It's still running actually, so it will take time to rerun it. Alright, so after installing the ODBC 18, so pre-check was completed with some warnings. So warning us for SQL memory, so we can ignore it. So what we will do, we will install the pack. Ignore the warnings, that's fine. Remove central administration site. Application approval request for users. These are the new BitLocker management. We don't want to enable any of these features right now. So we'll upgrade without validating. Yeah, we will do it because it's a QA environment for me. I do not attach. If you do not have the your Azure tenant attached, there is an option to do it. I'm not going to do it right now. Click next, and now the play will start in some time. Close. So now after some time it will start upgrading the SCCM and we'll monitor it. So now you will see it will start from here. It will install and post installation check will start in some time. Let's see what's the status. So now it says installing. That's fine. Let's go to here. Fine. Download is completed. Replication was done. Pre-check was done with few warning. That's fine. It has network account because I do not have network account, so I have not configured it. So basically it's giving that. That's fine. After that, on installation part, yeah, it has actually started doing its work. So now it's actually doing it, extracting update package. Now for each services there is a specific log if you want to track what is happening in the backend. So you will find the HMN log is there on log folder. For this, if you want to update, if you want to see what exactly is going on, you can go into the logs and you can find this cm update.log. Let's find it out. We'll go over here. There will be a folder called logs and cm update. I would recommend to try ccm cm trace to do it, to trace it. See, it's actually remote control is not installed. It's doing okay. It has stopped the services. Now it's stopping other services like backup, SQL, VSS Writer. So it's doing its job. Let's wait for some more minutes and see. It usually take time, so we have to be very patient. Yeah, it has done. It has actually started doing its work. After some time, the even this console will stop responding you. You have to restart the console. Yeah, see, it is not able to connect to the SQL. That's why, because it had stopped the SQL writer service. Let's refresh it again. Let's see. Alright, it is moving. It's upgrading configuration database. And if you want to see again, you have to go and check the same CM update. Let's wait until it complete. So after some time, if I click on update services, nothing is here. So now this is the time we need to close the console and try to reopen it again. Alright, it is giving us the error. Not able to connect to database. Click on connect. Administrations, update and services. So it's installing. Show status. Show status. Installing. Okay, it has done couple of. Now installing configuration manager configuration, and after that it will start the WMI. So it is almost done, and from here it will hardly take 10 to 15 minutes, and after that we will see if the SCCM version is upgraded or not. The installation task is completed. Now it's doing some post installation check. So what it will do, it will restart the services like SMS, executive, database, hierarchy management and other stuffs. So this will also take some a couple of minutes, and then we will go to restart the console. We'll close the console and restart it. Now this is the log file if you wanted to check what is happening in the backend. Alright, so after some time you can see it says new version of console is available. That's mean the installation is completed, the upgrade is completed. It says it's done. Let's click on OK. It will automatically close the console and it will try to install the or download and install the latest version of configuration manager console. It will take some time and after that we will be good to check it. So it has almost completed updating it. Now it's updating extensions. Alright, so updation is completed now and let's go to about section and see. Now the version is 24003. Moreover, there are some couple of post installation tasks, post upgradation tasks that we needs to complete it. Will not be covering on this video, but yeah, there are the PXE file, distribution file, you have to check it. So let's go and let's see the status. Administrator, update and services. You see 2403 is installed and after that there are some couple of hot fixes are also available. Alright, that was a small video how you can upgrade the SCCM console from your old version to new. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.